Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ponytail at the back and then take two sections from the front. Taking a small strand of the two sections that you have made, start off by braiding the hair. Include more and more sections into the braid as you progress. That is, on the left side of the scalp, do it by including sections from the left side of the scalp that is closer to the face. Once you reach the bottom and there are no more sections to be added, you may normally braid the hair. Tie a rubber band to the base once you are done. Now repeat the same step on the right side as well. Leave the rest of the hair and make two ponytails out of it. Take the two braids that you've created and join them to the rubber band as such. That is, to each of the ponytails. For our next hairdo, take a small section of the hair from the top in the center and make a braid out of it. Then tie a ponytail right underneath it and roll this ponytail in on itself. Taking the hair, join it all together at the back and make a braid. Roll this braid upwards and tie multiple rubber bands to it. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, join two sections of the hair from the front, tie it up at the back and then roll it in on itself in order to form two twists. Take two more sections from the front, join it at the back, roll it in on itself and tighten it as such. Repeat this step 2 or 3 more times depending on the length of your hair. Now, taking the bottom of the hair, make a braid out of the rest of the hair. We'll be making a fishtail braid and so divide the hair into two portions, take small sections of the hair and interchange them with either side. Tie a decorative rubber band or a clip once you are done. We have chosen to add a bow. For our next hairdo, start off by braiding the front of the hair as such. Then comb the hair into place at the back. Take a small section of the hair from the top and then make a braid out of it. As you progress with the braid, include sections of the hair from either side. We will be making a French braid, so add more and more volumes of hair as you progress. In the middle, add either of the braids on both the sides. Tie a rubber band at the bottom. For our next hairdo, make a braid from the top part of the hair and then pin it up into place. Then, put a ponytail right underneath it and roll it in on itself. Tie it tight. Now, pull out the braid just a little and add a clip in place. Braid the bottom of the hair and tie multiple rubber bands to it. For our next hairdo, start off by adding a decorative ribbon to the top of the head. Now, using the ribbon as a section, include it into the braid in the side. For the rest of the hair, include this braided portion and then make another braid out of it. For our next hairdo, tie a ponytail at the top and then right underneath it, tie another ponytail taking another section of the hair. Now, taking the small division of a hair, make a braid out of it. Take sections from the right side and include it into the braid. That is, the right side before the central parting. Once you reach the bottom, tie a ponytail to it. For our next hairdo, take a small section of the hair from the front and then twist it. Now, take another section of the hair and include it into this twist. As you progress with it, begin to braid the hair. Take more and more sections from the part that is closer to the face. Once you run out of sections, you may braid it towards the back side. Once you run out of sections from the left side, take sections from the right side. Keep braiding the hair in a tilt. This is what it should look like. Repeat the same on both sides and tie it up at the back. Thank you for watching.